Hi, welcome to DearMaths. In this video, we will solve a logarithmic problem where an expression is given and we need to find the value of x, the possible value of x. So let's solve this problem. Since we are given as log of x to the base 3 and that is plus log of 3 to the base x equal to the 17y4. So this is given to us, right? So by changing these two, so we can also write it as log x to the base 3 plus 1 divide by log x to the base 3 equal to the 17y4. So we can say, let's say this is the equation number 1. I hope it is clear. How can we write this value into this? We know the formula. So we know that log A B can also be written as log B to the base C divided by log A to the base C. So we are converting into some base. So in this way we can also write it as log 3 to the base x equal to the, so we are going to convert it into base of 3. So we can write it as log 3 to the base 3 divided by log x to the base 3. So this quantity is going to become 1. So we can write it as 1 divided by log of x to the base 3. That's why we have written this quantity log of x to the base 3 is equal to the log of x to the base 1 upon log of x to the base 3. So now let's consider y is equals to the log of x to the base 3. So we will substitute this value in equation 1. So we will get y plus 1y is equal to the 17y4. If we multiply by on both sides, so we will get y square plus 1 is equal to the 17y4 times of y. So upon simplification, we will get 4y square minus of 17y plus of 4 is equal to the 0. Now we can solve this equation by splitting the middle term. So here we will get the constant as 4 into 4, 4 times 4 is equal to the 16. So we need to split 16 so that we need to factorize 16 so that their summation will be 17. So we can write it as 4 y square minus 16 y minus y plus 4 is equals to the 0. So here we can solve it as 4 times of y. Here become y minus 4 minus 1 will common out, so it will become y minus 4 equal to the 0. So we can also write it as 4y minus 1 and y minus 4 equal to 0. In this way we can say y is equal to the either 1y4 or 4. So here we have got the two values of y. So if we substitute the value of y in equation number 1, so we will get the value of x. So here we have assumed that y equal to the log of x to the base 3. So we will substitute this value of y one by one. So let's substitute the value of y first as 1 by 4. So we can say like if y equal to the 1 y 4 and y we have assumed that y is equal to the log of x to the base 3 equal to the 1 by 4. So we can write it as x is equal to the 3 की power 1 by 4. And this is one of our answer. And we will substitute another value of as y equal to the 4. So we will write it as log of x to the base 3 equal to the 4. So here we can say x equal to the 3 की power 4. So these are the two value of x we will get. So we will get two possible solution for the given expression.
If you like our videos, do like, share and subscribe to reach others. Thank you.